My father taught me many things here. He taught me in this room.
Freeway.
He told me, keep your friends close, but your enemies closer.
Hot the blue, I just went to rapping. And to tell y'all the truth, I don't know how it happened. I just picked up the pen and I started snapping. Waited on the feedback, the street started clapping. I swear I got that same feeling when I started jacking. Give me the pen, give me the pad, and I'm gonna make it happen. If I fail at my best, then it's back to trapping. And my brother toting metal like the nigga scrapping. You gon' do something who? Nigga stop the capping. Cause it's one day to say, and that's my first reaction. Study flossing for them hoes, you the main attraction. But them hollow leave hoes, and that ain't attractive. I stick a nigga quick, but I ain't a cactus. I'm just here to speak the gospel like Brother Mathis. Now my mind like fuck it. Yeah, my auntie gone and my granny kicked the bucket. I hear them saying times, it's the nigga feeling lucky. Never been pussy, can't let a nigga fuck me. Cradle to the grave, getting money, you can trust me. Smiling in my face when Lord knows you wanna bust me. Mama steady praying, God fearing you can't touch me. Steady sipping goose, but I be dreaming about the bubbly. Money looking funny, they gon' call a nigga ugly. I stay polo down like a nigga playing rugby. Better get your girl, cause I think she wanna fuck me. I fall so hard, I bet the coach will never cut me. They want me down bad in the hood, smelling musket. Every night I pray and still hear the devil cussing. Last night I had a dream that pussy nigga bust me. I'm going all in, I'ma make the crackers cut me. Scar on my neck since the pussy nigga cut me. Back still bleeding since the fuck nigga stuck me. Backstabber. And I ain't got too many friends, but them the same people that'll cross you in the end. Double focus on the wooden fold, wooden bend. Punished by a cell, shitted on by my kin. Backstabber. And I ain't got too many friends, but them the same people that'll cross you in the end. Double focus on the wooden fold, wooden bend. Punished by a cell, shitted on by my kin. Backstabbers. Backstabbers. B.O.B.G. Blood of my brother gang, man. Double focus on the 1G, man. You produce this one right here, man. You already know my nigga. It ain't nothing that we can't do, my nigga. Nothing. Right now, the proper preparation prevents poor performance. 5 P's of life, so if I prepare myself, I will perform very well. Damn good. Damn good. You already know that. My nigga T from the Bangum. He in this bitch, man. We just chillin', dog. For what it is, my nigga A-Rod money, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Blood of my brother gang, man.